started now. So first I can study decide the area according to my knowledge and according to my previous experience. Then I can study and then analysis. So I can use these resources from ACM Digital Library, IEEE Explorer, Science Direct, in energy and bandwidth. So the unpredictable nature of WSN face a wide range of challenges like efficient routing, load distribution, among the number of nodes, congestion avoidance. So the topic is optimal routing of in between the sensor nodes. So congestion avoidance is the another critical issue. If all the nodes they use the same route, then the congestion it occur and the communication it would not successful. So energy consumption also. So different deployment methods have been developed for wireless sensor networks. However, most of these methods only attempt to solve one problem, that is effective deployment. So none of them consider reduction or efficient use of energy consumption. So the research questions that may arise during this research. So these are the some few questions I can mention here. So novel network protocol that account for the key realities in wireless communication are required. So new research is needed to, and these are the some questions I can raise. Measure and evaluate how the theoretical properties of wireless communication are exhibited in today's and tomorrow's sensing and communication devices. Find better models of communication realities to feed back into improved simulation tools. So here in my research, I can make a better model for communication of a wireless sensor network based upon these two algorithms or the protocols, Leech and the ABC algorithm. So and through with the simulation tool. So in my research, I can use the because how you can verify your results. So that definitely you need the simulation tools. So I can use the MATLAB. In a MATLAB, I can simulate result my different figures, and through with those figures I can evaluate the result in the MATLAB. So other softwares or the simulation tools are also available, such as a network simulator NS2 or Simulink, MATLAB, or nowadays the what say later I explain. So evaluate and analysis new networks that account for the courses, and then they can pass on to the cluster heads. These they can again aggregate and collect the data and send it to the base station. So this is like a basic scenario. I can discuss it here because of a limited time, but I can consider a different multiple scenarios in my research. Okay. So problem formulation or the consideration. The WSN is built into the several hundred and thousand of nodes, where each node is connected to one sensor. So every sensor node communicate with other node within a range. So node deployment is a fundamental issue to solve in a wireless sensor network. So a proper node deployment scheme can reduce the complexity of problems in WSN. It can extend the lifetime of WSN and minimize the energy. So investigate the node placement in homogeneous manner. So less complexity and a better manageability are the most important factor of homogeneity. So these are the different considerations I can consider for